Hello student, good morning. Myself Sri K.D. Borse sir, biology subject teacher. In previous lecture we learned some concepts include in molecular basis of inheritance chapter, genomics, concept of genome, human genome project. Today we learn some more concept including molecular basis of inheritance chapter, DNA fingerprinting or DNA profiling, different steps involved in process of DNA fingerprinting. Also we learn different applications of DNA fingerprinting. So let us start today's first concept, DNA fingerprinting. Basic idea about DNA fingerprinting. We know genes present on chromosome are responsible for determination of character of the organism, as well as gene present on chromosome inheritance of characters, determination of character as well as inheritance of characters of an organism due to recombination. Paternal and maternal genes, we differ from our parent. Always remember, we differ or different from our parent because due to recombination of paternal and maternal genes. Also such differences occurs due to mutation. Such differences occurs due to mutation and recombination of paternal and maternal genes. Therefore we differ or different from our parent. आपण आपल्या parent पेक्षा वेगळे असतो कारण पॅटर्नल अँड मॅटर्नल जीन्स रिकॉम्बिनेशन मध्ये काय झालेले असतात, इंटरमिक्सिंग. Also due to mutation, mutation means sudden change of DNA. Due to mutation during the gamete formation, cell division, we differ from our parent. Always remember, due to all such factors, every individual has its unique genetic makeup. Due to such factor, every individual has its unique genetic makeup, which may be called as fingerprint. Each and every individual has unique genetic makeup, and this unique genetic makeup may be called as fingerprint. Now, the technique developed to identify a person with the help of DNA restriction analysis. Technique developed to identify a person with the help of DNA restriction analysis known as DNA profiling or DNA fingerprinting. DNA profiling or DNA fingerprinting. The technique of DNA fingerprinting was first given by British geneticist known as Dr. Alec Jeffrey in 1948. Always remember, Dr. Alec Jeffrey first given by DNA profiling or DNA fingerprinting technique. Now, what is DNA fingerprinting? Distinguishing or identification of an individual according to their DNA print or pattern. Distinguishing or identification of an individual according to their DNA print or pattern with the help of DNA restriction analysis. With the help of DNA restriction analysis known as DNA fingerprinting or DNA profiling. Here definition based statement noted. Always remember what is DNA fingerprinting: distinguishing or identification of an individual according to DNA print or pattern with the help of DNA restriction analysis, known as DNA fingerprinting or DNA profiling. We know first given by Dr. Alex Jeffrey in 1948. DNA fingerprinting, DNA profiling. Now DNA fingerprint is unique to each person. DNA fingerprint unique to each person and same for every cell. Same for every cell of that person, means each person, every cell genetic makeup is same. So DNA fingerprint is unique to each person and same to every सेल ऑफ दॅट पर्सन. प्रत्येक सेलमध्ये DNA फिंगरप्रिंट ही सारखीच असते ईच अँड एव्हरी पर्सन्समध्ये. DNA fingerprint cannot be altered by any known treatment. Any known treatment DNA fingerprint cannot be altered. कोणत्याही एका आजाराने जर आपण ग्रासलेलो असणार आणि त्याची ट्रीटमेंट घेतली त्याच्यामुळे DNA फिंगरप्रिंट बदलली असं कधी होणार नाही. DNA fingerprinting technique is based on identification of nucleotide sequence. Based on identification of nucleotide sequence, you know nucleotides of DNA: adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. So nucleotide sequence based on DNA fingerprint technique. About 99.9% of nucleotide sequence in all persons is same. Always remember, 99.9% of nucleotide sequence in all persons is same. Only some short sequences of nucleotides differ from person to person. 99.9% nucleotide sequence person to person same, but only short sequences of nucleotide different from person to person. So such short sequence of nucleotide is different from person to person. In the population, every person show unusual sequences. In the population, every person show unusual sequences, about 20 to 100 base pairs. Unusual sequences are about maybe 20 or above 100. So 20 to 100 base pair unusual sequences that are short sequences of nucleotides. Means these sequences are short sequences and unusual sequences in population seen every person, which repeated several times. Such short sequences of nucleotides or unusual sequences are repeated for several time in a DNA. आपल्या DNA मध्ये असे अनयुजल सिक्वेन्सेस ज्याला आपण शॉर्ट सिक्वेन्सेस ऑफ न्यूक्लियोटाइड म्हणतो, मग ते 20 बेस पेअरचे असतील किंवा 100 बेस पेअरचे असतील, कोणतीही संख्या असेल यांच्यामध्ये, ते काय होतात, रिपीटेड सेव्हरल टाइम इन द DNA सीन इन ईच पर्सन. नाउ such unusual sequences, 20 to 100 base pairs, that is short sequences of nucleotides, are called as variable number of tandem repeats. This short sequences of nucleotides, that is also called as unusual sequences, are called as variable number of tandem repeats, in short VNTRS. Always remember, variable number of tandem repeats are VNTRS, unusual sequences, and that are seen several times repeat in a DNA of each person. Now VNTRS means variable number of tandem repeats seen in different persons, different numbers. For example, seen here diagrammatic representation, this person DNA, seen here genetic makeup. So this part is actual gene part, and this one is VNTRS, repeat 10 time here. So this one is also gene part, and this part is also VNTRS, 12 time repeat here, total 12 time repeat. This one is gene parts, means this person DNA contain VNTRS 10 time repeat, 12 time repeat seen in the DNA. Such VNTRS region is not seen in other person's same time. Like this, show me with the help of diagram. This person DNA contain here 14 time repeated. This one is 7 time repeated. Also, this person DNA VNTRS here 5 time repeated, 10 time repeated, means here noted 3 examples, 3 persons DNA variable number of tandem repeats are variable seen in each person DNA. Now the length of VNTRS region is different. Length of VNTRS is different in each individual, hence VNTRS region is key factor in DNA profiling. Why VNTRS region is key factor of DNA profiling? Because length of VNTRS region means variable number of tandem repeat region is different in each individual. Here total 3 individuals are noted, each one is different from one another. So this VNTRS is key factor in the DNA profiling. Hope that you understood everything, basic idea about DNA fingerprinting. Now different steps involved in process of DNA fingerprinting. In DNA fingerprinting, actual total 7 different steps involved. Number 1, first isolation of DNA. Second one is restriction digestion. Third one is gel electrophoresis. Fourth one is selection of DNA probe. Fifth one southern blotting. Sixth one hybridization, and seventh one photography. Here noted all these 7 different steps involved in process of DNA fingerprinting. DNA isolation, restriction digestion, gel electrophoresis, selection of DNA probe, southern blotting, hybridization, photography. We learn one by one steps involved in process of DNA fingerprinting. First step known as isolation of DNA. In this step, the DNA can be isolated from small amount of cell or tissue. small amount of cell or tissue from DNA can be isolated. सेल टिश्यू पासून DNA काय केला जातो, आयसोलेट केला जातो. So small amount of cell tissue is like blood, root hairs and skin are required. Means blood, hair, root, skins are the sources of DNA, can be isolated. Very small amount of skin tissue is also source of DNA. One hair root is also source of DNA, and blood is source of DNA. So this is the first step of DNA fingerprinting, isolation of DNA. Now second one is restriction digestion. The isolated DNA cut specific site with the help of restriction enzyme. Isolated DNA cut specific site with the help of restriction enzyme to form small fragments having variable length. Means each and every one is variable length. Small fragment is done by restriction enzyme. Isolated DNA seen here, diagrammatic representation. This is the isolated DNA. Isolated DNA is with the help of restriction enzyme cut into small fragment, each one having variable length, seen here clearly, each one having variable length. Fragment is cut by restriction enzyme, and this one is isolated DNA from blood or root hair or skin tissue. Always remember restriction digestion step. Variations seen in the length of restriction fragments, here clearly seen variation length of restriction fragments called as restriction fragment length polymorphism. Restriction fragment length polymorphism, in short RFLP, means restriction fragment length polymorphism. Up to this, second step is completed, DNA fingerprinting, restriction digestion. Now third one is gel electrophoresis. In gel electrophoresis, the DNA sample are loaded on agrocell gel electrophoresis under electric influence. Under electric influence on agrocell gel electrophoresis, loaded DNA sample. The DNA fragments which are negatively charged move to positive pole. You know, DNA has negatively charged. So due to loaded on agrocell gel electrophoresis, DNA fragments negatively charged move to positive pole. The moment of this fragment depend on length of fragment. This moment is depend on length of fragment of the DNA. This result formation of band. This result formation of band. Double stranded DNA split into single stranded DNA by alkali treatment. Always remember, dsDNA is split into ssDNA by alkali treatment. Up to this, third step is completed, gel electrophoresis. Now fourth step of DNA fingerprinting, selection of DNA probe. The separated DNA fragment, dsDNA is split into ssDNA, so separated DNA fragment are transferred to a nylon membrane or nitrocellulose filter paper. Transfer to nylon membrane or nitrocellulose filter paper by placing it over gel and soaking them with the help of filter paper overnight. Up to this, fourth stage completed, DNA fingerprinting. Separated DNA fragment are transferred to nylon membrane or nitrocellulose filter paper. Now fifth one is southern blotting. In that, a known sequence of single-stranded DNA is prepared. Known sequence of single-stranded DNA is prepared. It is the probe DNA or DNA probe. It is DNA probe. DNA probe is obtained from organism or prepared by cDNA preparation method, complementary DNA preparation method. cDNA probe is obtained from organism. The DNA probe is labeled with radioactive isotope. DNA probe is labeled with radioactive isotope. Up to this, fifth step is completed, DNA fingerprinting. Now sixth one is hybridization. In hybridization DNA fingerprinting, probe DNA added to the nitrocellulose filter paper. Probe DNA added to nitrocellulose filter paper containing host DNA. The single-stranded DNA probe pair with complementary base sequences of the host DNA strand, and as a result, DNA hybrid are formed. DNA hybrid are formed on the nitrocellulose filter paper. On nitrocellulose filter paper, DNA hybrid are formed. So remaining single standard DNA probe fragment is wash off. DNA probe fragment are wash off. Now last step of DNA fingerprinting, photography. The nitrocellulose filter paper is photographed on X-ray film by autoradiography. Nitrocellulose filter paper is photographed on X-ray film by autoradiography. The film is analyzed to determine the presence of hybrid DNA. Seen here diagrammatic representation, photography of DNA fingerprints, seen here, VNTRS bands. So up to this total different 7 steps we detail discuss. DNA fingerprinting involve total 7 different steps. Hope that you understood everything. Now we see diagrammatic representation. Steps involved in process of DNA fingerprinting. So this is the DNA extraction, means source of DNA. From that DNA is isolated DNA is cut by restriction enzyme. So this one is genetics is a restriction enzyme to form variable length of DNA fragments. These fragments are electrophoresis process loaded on agar gel. So these fragments are transferred to nylon membrane, hybridization, X-ray to form a DNA fingerprint. So here diagrammatic representation seen clearly. Different steps involved in DNA fingerprinting. Now we learn different applications of DNA fingerprinting. In forensic science, DNA fingerprinting is used to solve problem of rape and some complicated murder cases. In forensic science, DNA fingerprinting is used to solve problems of rape and some complicated murder cases. So this is the most important significance of DNA fingerprinting. If a rape like problem or murder like problem, in that place present cell isolate DNA and prepare their DNA fingerprint, and those person is responsible for that condition also prepare DNA fingerprint. If the fingerprint is matched with one another, the problem solved. Such solved problem is also accept court. So forensic science DNA fingerprint used to solve problems of rape and complicated murder cases. DNA fingerprinting is used to find out biological father or mother or both mother and father of the child in case of disputed parentage. This is also one of the most important application of DNA fingerprinting here noted. ज्या चाइल्डचा फादर अँड मदर आयडेंटिफाय करायचा असेल किंवा ज्या फादरचा चाइल्ड आयडेंटिफाय करायचा असेल, ज्या मदरचा चाइल्ड आयडेंटिफाय करायचा असेल, तर DNA मध्ये VNTRS DNA फिंगरप्रिंट ही फादर मदरची चाइल्डमध्ये दिसून येते अँड such print is clearly seen in father as well as mother. So disputed parentage is find out biological father, biological mother, both mother and father of the child. याचा अर्थ एखाद्या फादरचा चाइल्ड हरवला असेल तर तो शोधता येतो, एखाद्या मदरचा चाइल्ड हरवला असेल तो शोधता येतो, किंवा एखाद्या चाइल्डचे मदर फादर शोधता येतात ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ DNA fingerprint. Now third one is DNA fingerprinting is used in P-degree analysis. You know P-degree analysis, we detail discuss previous chapter. So in P-degree analysis, cat, dogs, horses and humans DNA fingerprinting use in P-degree analysis. Now know the scientists. seen here, scientist Dr. Lalji Singh, father of DNA fingerprint in India. Who was the father of DNA fingerprinting in India? Dr. Lalji Singh. He was making instrumental DNA fingerprinting mainstream in India. He was making instrumental DNA fingerprinting mainstream in India for research and its forensic application. Always remember, know the scientist Dr. Lalji Singh, father of DNA fingerprinting in India. Up to this, today's lecture completed. Review today's topics. We learned today DNA fingerprinting concept, basic idea about DNA fingerprinting. We learn what is DNA fingerprinting, also variable number obtained and repeats, VNTRS, is a key factor of DNA fingerprinting or every person. Steps involved in process of DNA fingerprinting. We detail discuss 7 different steps involved in DNA fingerprinting, different applications of DNA fingerprinting, and know the scientist Dr. Lalji Singh. He was father of DNA fingerprinting in India. On the basis of today's lecture, some exercise question noted here. MCQ questions. The technique or transferring DNA fragments separated on agarose gel to a synthetic nitrocellulose membrane known as southern blotting, autoradiography, southern hybridization, none of these. Yes, the correct answer is southern blotting. A correct answer, southern blotting. Second, DNA fingerprinting is based on the principle of identifying dash sequences of DNA. Satellite, variable, mutated, repetitive. Yes, the correct answer, variable sequences of DNA. Third MCQ, variation at genetic level in nucleotide is termed as allotropy, polymorphism, isomerism, teutomerism. Yes, the correct answer is polymorphism. Variation of genetic level, nucleotide is termed as polymorphism. Now, sequence of various steps in DNA fingerprinting. Here noted sequence: disturbance in southern blotting, restriction digestion, gel electrophoresis, isolation of DNA, photography, selection of DNA probe, and hybridization. Here options: number first A, B, C, and D. Which one is correct sequence? Various steps in DNA fingerprinting. Yes, the first step of DNA fingerprinting is isolation of DNA. So this one is means fourth number is first step. Here we see fourth number seen in B as well as C, means A and D is not a correct answer. You know, second step of DNA fingerprinting is restriction digestion. So seen here, second step is only C. So clearly here C is the correct answer, because fourth one is the first step, second one is second step, third means gel electrophoresis, third step, one means southern blotting, fourth stage here, sixth means selection of DNA probe is fifth stage, and here seventh stage means hybridization is sixth number, and 5 number means photography is last 7. So C is correct answer. Hope that you understood. Some type of MCQ is noted on NEET exam is also. Now short answer questions. What is DNA fingerprinting? Yes, distinguishing or identification of an individual according to their DNA print or pattern with the help of restriction DNA analysis, called as DNA fingerprinting. What is VNTRS? Yes, variable number of tandem repeats are called as VNTRS, and these are the short sequences, about 20 to 100 base pairs. Who was the father of DNA fingerprinting in India? Yes, Lalji Singh, Dr. Lalji Singh. The technique of fingerprinting was first given by, yes, Dr. Alec Jaffrey. The DNA can be isolated from small amount of cell or tissue like, yes, blood, hair root, skin. Guess the possible location of DNA on the collected evidences from a crime scene and possible sources of DNA seen here. Evidences noted, possible location of DNA on the evidences, and sources of DNA here noted. For example, eyeglasses, earpiece. Example, sweat and skin, source of DNA. Bottle, can, glass. Side mouthpiece means sources here, saliva. Here evidence, dash dash, handle, sweat, skin, blood, source of DNA. So here evidence is door, door, handle, sweat, skin, blood. Use cigarette, cigarette butt, possible location, and saliva, source of India, here noted saliva. Bite mark, dash dash, here saliva. So teeth impression is possible location, teeth impression, here dash dash, surface area. Here semen, sweat, urine. So evidence is cloth, is evidence on cloth, surface area present here, semen, sweat or urine. So here actual saliva, door, saliva, teeth impression, and here cloth. Always remember, exercise based on today's lecture, column first and column second, match the pair. Here column first and this one is column second. First one is alkali treatment. Alkali treatment is done, which step noted in column 2? Yes, alkali treatment split DNA fragment into single stranded means dsDNA split into ssDNA. Alkali treatment means A match with 2. Southern blotting, yes, DNA transferred to nitrocellulose sheet means B match with 3rd. Electrophoresis, yes, separation of DNA fragment on gel slab means C match with A. dPCR, yes, PCR is useful for DNA amplification. Number of DNA copies is gives by PCR technique, so D is matched with here 6th. Auto radiography, yes, X-ray photography means E match with 4th. Yes, DNA treated with RAIN restriction enzyme endonuclease is produce fragment of different sizes means F is matched with 4th. Up to this, today's lecture completed. Hope that you understood everything. If you like the video, then you can subscribe my BioInfo YouTube channel. Tap the bell icon and like the video. If any doubt about today's lecture, mention in comment box. Thank you.